back with another video. It's been since, I believe, New Year's. We have been out of not filming, so I apologize for that. But we're back, and we're back with a lot more videos coming up. So we have a lot to look forward to in the coming weeks. But as you can see here, we've accumulated all of these goodies here of old phone headsets, massager, we have humidifier thing, little RC cars, flashlight, one of those plug and play game controller things, some lights, light bulbs, and we have, of course, a brand new microwave. And not only that, we have a new microwave, so we have two of them. And we got Boogie here, of
Yes,
course.
sir.
So we got a lot to look forward to. As you can see, we even have I could zoom in. We have that air conditioner over there, and there's the old microwave in the last video that gave out. So we'll be destroying that as well. So and we got a couple vacuums there for destruction. So
Looking forward to that.
yeah, we got a lot to look forward to, folks. So what we'd like to start with today, we have a tripod at least, so that helps with the filming.
Let's see. Oh yeah, we also got the little pickaxe. So we're not gonna just throw that in there, but I guess we can start off with with these bars of soap.
Okay.
This is taking out the package real quick. So you guess you could consider this a tutorial how to clean your microwave.
Yeah.
So we got 2:35 on the clock. This is the first quarter.
Yeah, we'll do, what is it, 5 minutes? We'll do
Yeah, it's bars. It's a bar of soap. It shouldn't take too long, right?
I'll start with 3. Hopefully you guys can see, man. I'm trying to film in the shade. It's just the glare, man.
Yeah, that glare's kind of tough.
You can kind of see it. You just have to have the shade. But I've seen people microwave bars of soap and they foam up. So let's see if they do. Maybe 30 seconds.
Yeah, like I said, it's gonna be one clean microwave.
We're cleaning it. This is how to professionally clean your microwave. We have to clean it from the previous owners. We have a little Peanuts right there.
Peanuts? Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Is that actually one? Oh, yeah, it is.
I'm so used to like throwing stuff in the microwave and then just exploding, rather than actually throwing something in there that won't.
That bar of soap kind of cracked in the middle.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's like splitting down the middle. I'm not sure if you guys can see that.
Yeah, I'm able.
Oh yeah, it's splitting and it's falling apart from each side. I think it's starting to foam up.
Yeah, I see it in the middle. Might have to add more time to this. Yeah, it's foaming.
Yeah,
There it goes.
Minute.
In the middle.
It's like a baked potato.
Or something else.
A baked soap-tato.
Not that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Cream pie.
Uh,
There we go. It's foaming, but slowly.
a little bit of foamage.
It smells good.
Smoke.
So that's pretty much what it's done so far. It smells really good in there,
Is
honestly.
it actually like
Soft. All right, wait, at the bottom, this one is starting to at the
the
bottom.
bottom's the hot
Look at that.
part? Yeah, it like just split from the inside.
This one's split in half, but it's solid.
All right, what should we do next?
I'm thinking we should start with... I think we should do the headset.
The headset, where's that at? Right here?
For the phone.
For the phone? Oh,
These.
that.
So we're going to plug this in while the microwave's running.
Hell yeah.
And we're going to throw the headset in there too. We have... I don't know if we have a... I want to get one that will work. But these are pretty old, so I don't think the battery works. But hopefully we'll get a few pops from the answering machine. Maybe we should put it on, yeah, maybe we should keep it on a flat surface, the outlet.
I think I got it in.
You got it? Okay. Okay, so yeah, we got power to the headset.
Gonna have this running.
No messages.
No messages.
To
There won't be any
delete
soon
all
after this.
messages, press delete again. Answering system is off. Answering system is on. Hello, no one is available to take
I
your
used to
call.
have the same-
Please leave a message after the
I
tone.
used to have that same ringtone and message answering machine at my old place. Definitely brings some childhood memories back. But yeah, so unfortunately we're not getting any display on the headset itself. But
You guys get those annoying
In
spam
fact,
calls?
we're gonna take
Put
this.
it in the microwave.
We're gonna take this off the turntable. Because there we go.
All right. Put it at like what, 4 minutes? See if it even closes. There we go.
There. So you seen 4 minutes?
I think 4 minutes should be good.
Okay, well, let Boogie do the honors.
All right, and
I have a feeling this
start.
one's gonna go quick. Oh God.
It's making noises already.
This is hooked up to a GFCI outlet, so if it trips it, hopefully. I was surprised. Oh God, you smell it?
Yep. That's the smell of all smells right there.
Oh God.
I'm expecting this to just light on
Oh,
fire.
oh,
That's
there's-
the pops.
Here's the headset. Oh God, you smell that? Oh man, that's.
Oh,
Popcorn, anybody?
hit the deck.
Here's the headset, you can kind of see, but
Quite a bit of smoke.
oh yeah, there's a lot of smoke.
I don't know if you guys can see that smoke.
Oh God, it's
There's
all
quite
smoke.
a bit. Like I said, I'm just expecting this to just light on fire.
Second it does, we gotta shut it off so we don't kill this microwave just yet.
Oh,
Okay.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa! Kill it.
Damn.
Toasty. Probably should have plugged that. So yeah, that's what it is. Let's go take a closer look at this. Oh. Hey, we might actually still be able to use this cord. So, right on.
So I gotta put it back in there?
Okay, so got some capacitors to pop. This whole thing is melted completely. And this whole top is completely melted. Let's take a look at the phone. Ooh, the buttons are melting off. And there is,
Yeah, buttons are melting. Is it kind of hot? A little bit. There's the batteries. Did the batteries melt? Kinda.
it's all warped though. Look at it. Light bulbs, okay.
Should I throw them all in or just like one? Or
I'm
like
gonna
a
throw them
few?
all in.
Fuck it, might as well. So we got these, what are these ones called? Forgot.
The CFL
These marshmallow light bulbs.
bulbs.
You mean marshmallow bulbs?
Yeah.
What are these ones called? The same thing, just what?
Has a CFL inside. I don't know where they are. Oh yeah, I can't forget about these solar lights.
Didn't we use that in the last video?
No, these are. They had Christmas lights, so these are solar. There we go.
Alright, so what are we
do-
gonna start with?
I think we'll do. We'll do like 3.5 minutes.
Big bet. Oh, almost fell back.
Ooh, look how
Already.
bright. Oh God, I see the smoke coming from those wires. Look how bright it is. Now you guys can actually see.
How to light up a microwave.
And they're working.
Pretty.
Oh God, I think they're gonna pop.
Looks radioactive.
We got some of those lights flickering. Definitely seeing the smoke coming out the side.
Call that pop smoke.
Wow, look how bright that is in there.
It's pretty bright. So far, just smoking. But this is one way to power a light bulb, guys, if you didn't know.
Yeah, we tried powering LED lights. They do not power through microwave. Only these old school incandescent bulbs.
You know, a microwave's like a Bluetooth outlet for lights.
Exactly.
A lot of smoke.
Oh yeah. Smells electrical for sure.
I can smell a little bit of the soap too, actually.
Still.
A little bit, yeah.
All while drinking
By the way.
a nice blackberry Dr. Pepper. It's
I'm
weird.
not sure.
It's weird the way that my camera's exposing. It's showing up green.
So is mine.
Oh, that one up there is that the light bulb up front was a soft white, but now it's turning more as daylight. It's whiter.
What is the time? Say?
42 seconds.
42 seconds left.
Oh, that smoke. God,
Barbecue light bulbs.
look at all that.
I wonder if the neighbors are gonna be like, what the hell are you fucking doing?
Oh God. Well, we didn't need that anyway.
Good job.
Okay, after that brief interruption, let's see.
Holy shit. They're still intact though. Look at that.
I hear something.
Like
Don't you?
what?
They go shh.
It's probably still like, it's just fried, it's just cooking. Let's assess the damage. Not much. Nothing even popped.
Oh,
Well, that's fucking disappointing.
let's see if they actually still work. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it still works.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow.
You might pop soon. Wow, look at that color.
Wow, look at that. It's like a purplish color. Oh God, I see here. I see the smoke. I think one just died out. Oh God, it's that one in the back. I'm amazed that oh died. Okay. Ah. Oh wow. Okay. Dang.
Sheesh.
I did not think that microwaving balls would create that much smoke.
I mean, wowzers.
Wow. Pretty good though. Woo.
Pretty.
Oh God, look at that one. Okay. Nice.
Well, that's that.
Well, we don't know if these ones are still alive, so we gotta detach the CFLs. Oh God, that one's hot.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why it's showing up green on my screen, but it's could be the smoke inside causing the.
Yeah, it's like an illusion.
It's an illusion. It's really white. It's pure daylight white. Oh God, you see that bulb in the back? That big one.
Dude, it died out, I think. It's dying out.
That
Making a lot of noise.
wheelie noise. Dang. Oh! Oh God! We got plasma.
Oh, that fucking smell. Now it's bad.
Oh, bad.
Holy shit. That's what I was looking for.
That's what I was expecting to happen. Oh.
Híjole.
Once that one popped, the other two popped.
It was like a reaction.
But I'm not convinced. I'm not truly convinced yet. Let's.
Yeah, we still got a couple in there.
Yeah, look. See?
I just saw it like rise. Did you see that bubble on that one?
I
pop?
believe so.
I saw it like rising on the top, and all of a sudden, boom.
Look how orange that one is.
This one might do the same. Oh god, I feel like
Oh! Dang!
I feel like Heisenberg.
Dang, and that one caught on. Those two caught on fire.
I meant Oppenheimer.
Woo! Alrighty, so what shall we do next?
This one. Should we plug it in or just put it in like that?
Yeah, I'll plug it in. Okay, so we got the humidifier in there. It I don't know where the top went to it, so I'm just throwing it, but it kind of lights up. Like if you were to turn it on, maybe it needs a top to work, but or needs water to work, but it changes color and it's a humidifier. We'll do it for what, 3 minutes?
Alright, I've got a humidifier in there for 3 minutes.
Oh wow, already
Already.
working. Oh, they're spoiled. I really hate the glares though. That's like the one hard thing you cannot. Yeah, so oh wait, there we go. That's something
That's a
happening.
flame.
That's some marking at the bottom there. Oh man, this thing is like really not doing a whole lot just yet. 3 minutes seems to be the average of this go around. I believe this is a 1.6 thousand watt microwave, so should hold up pretty decently. Smoking more than it did at Savers, that's for sure.
Yeah, I got some flame at the bottom, but not a whole lot. Just a little bit of lights.
Got 40 seconds.
Smoking a lot now, though.
Oh man. Oh god, you smell that?
Holy smoke! Damn. Shit.
Oh man,
That's a lot of smoke.
it always goes right towards us too. 12 seconds.
Damn, I get off to the side and it still comes towards me.
It's attracted to you. Remember, it's aroused. Okay.
It's in heat. Alright, let's see what's damaged here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I get the Minecraft pickaxe.
Yep.
Chicken jockey. Oh, wow. Oh, we made a little hole. It smells like gas.
Kinda.
Like at a gas station. Did it have gas in it?
Damn.
Nah, that's a fucking humidifier. What am I saying?
Well, that thing's all melted. This thing is too. It's just completely. Look at that. Look how soft it is. It is completely charred. Okay. Okay, so we have the VTech headset here.
Time and day not set.
It
You
works.
have no message.
We'll plug that in. Here, close it. Man, the top of this micro is getting hot. And is this? Yeah, we could. Well,
Bucket.
we'll throw both of them in there. Why not?
We gotta throw the other VTech phone in there. Why not?
Okay, we'll do like what?
Do about
4
4
minutes.
minutes.
Okay. I'm trying. Hopefully, I would really hope to get the light going where you can see that 0. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it just died out. That
Already?
display. It stayed on for a brief moment and then it just died out.
Oh, we got some stuff going down there on the bottom.
Oh, there's
That's a
one.
pops. The last one lit on fire, I believe, right?
Yeah. This one we can try and let it go a little longer. I hear the speaker in there. Here's-
I don't know.
Oh god, something, a capacitor just went or something because it just started smoking immediately. Solid bird electronics for sure. Oh, there's another one. Oh, popcorn.
It's a lot of smoke, that's for sure.
Oh, there it
Oh.
goes. There it goes.
Hooray!
Oh man. Jeez. Not as bad though. Oh wow, look at this. It's like bending inward. It's like folding. Damn.
Jeez, guess you say it's on the hotline.
Hotline bling.
It's a-
Oh, look at that. It is completely.
Oh yeah, that is melted.
It's all deformed.
It's like very malleable.
Look at that. Look at that. It's like.
It's like soft.
Oh god, the battery.
It smells like when you smoke pot and the resin's burning.
How would you know?
Yeah, a little smoked myself. That one's solid.
Yeah, pretty much completely gone.